Hello guys, today I am going to teach you how to paint trees in easy way with cotton balls. If you want to more this kind of tutorial videos, then go and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notification. At first, take a cotton ball. You can use any size of cotton ball. Then dip it into the colors and do it the way I am doing. You can use colors of your own choice. Here I am using colors as I wish. Use different cotton balls for different colors. Next, use paintbrush to draw the trunk and branches of the tree. And the painting is done. Here you see the result. If you like this video, then give review in the comment section. And see you soon in the next tutorial video of this painting. Thank you.